Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple Signal Messenger tutorial and explain how to add friend and contact easily on Signal. First, make sure you have Signal installed on your phone and that you are already signed in with your phone number. Now open the Signal app, then tap on your profile icon at the top. Tap on privacy and permissions and make sure contact access is turned on. Once this is on, Signal will automatically show people from your phone contact who are already using Signal. After that, go back to the main screen. Now tap up new message. Pull down on the screen to refresh contact. Your friend should now appear in the list. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.